Are you planning on moving now or in the future? Well, you've come to the right place. Hello, I'm Alan Roberts, CEO at Foxyvan, your #1 solution nationwide and Europe moving company, from a single item to a full house move. At Foxyvan, we have taken great care to ensure that right from the first time you connect with us to when you finally move to your new place, you get a seamlessly delightful experience at every step. Get started by filling the form out on our website to share your requirements. Based on your unique needs, our experts will prepare and share a free, no obligation quote to your email. We ensure that there is 100% transparency with our pricing. That's why we don't have any hidden fees whatsoever. To make the decision easier for you, we provide a quote that is almost 50% lower than the standard rates in the market. That means you can now move with complete confidence, knowing that you will never exceed your budget. But that's not all. We are available 7 days a week, so you can start moving at any day convenient to you by choosing either the early morning or late evening slots. Our friendly customer support is just a click away whenever you need any clarification or have a question. We also offer compensation cover for your complete peace of mind. In the last 20 plus years, we have helped so many individuals and businesses successfully move in the UK and Europe with 100% satisfaction. With Foxyvan, there is no stress, no hassle and no complications. So what are you waiting for? Move anywhere in the UK or Europe with complete peace of mind, all within your budget, only with Foxyvan. Fill the form in right now and get a free, no obligation quote today.